I cannot do anything else. I'm just feeding them.
Wow. Looks like they're hungry, baby.
Yes, they are. I'm pretty sure. I'm surprised how they're not biting me.
I know. You know, they bite me so hard.
They're not biting me. They're getting friendly with me.
Yeah, because you gave them food.
I think they like me now.
Yeah. You're their mommy.
I don't know if they're grown-ups or childs.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's why they're noisy, because they want love from you.
They just want food, that's it.
They want from attention. They want attention for you.
They must be hungry.
They
They normally feed themselves, but I'm feeding them now.
I know. Holy cramoli.
I'm just doing this just in case. They're kind of like vibrating this thing.
Gee.
They're like starving.
Maybe it's too hard for them to eat because they are so small.
Whenever I watch this. They must like this kind of food.
Maybe they're hungry. Super
Yeah.
hungry.
Are you done? You done? Come over here if you're not done. Okay, she wants some more.
Yeah, they're so hungry.
What? Okay. I'll just